To God be the glory. I'm Coach Danilo Crosby. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Since Father's Day is approaching, I have a good suggestion for you guys or ladies out there who don't have a gift to your father. Okay? But this is only for those their father is engaged in jiu-jitsu. Okay? Look at this jiu-jitsu book. Okay, it's by the way, it's a Japanese jiu-jitsu. Don't be confused that it is a Brazilian jiu-jitsu. I think it's a good gift if your father want to practice jiu-jitsu. It's a good gift. In fact, even other martial artists like karate, judo, or aikido, it's a good additional knowledge. Okay, this book is authored by our very own Sensei Charles and Sensei Men. Happy Father's Day, Sensei Charles. I'm holding now your book. I do hope that you can autograph it one day. Okay? So it's a good gift. Okay? I received it early and I like it. It's composed of 500 pages and it's colored. Okay? Colored. Very practical. I highly recommend it and endorse it for all martial artists. Okay? And I have another book here. Okay? If you are fun in reading for your kids, this is a good book. Okay? It's a bedtime stories. Okay? I am not a storyteller to my boy, and I am not a good reader. But this is not really. It's really my toy. Okay? It's not a book. See, I put my toys here. Okay? I practice martial arts, almost all kind of martial arts, and I practice my shooting. By the way, it has no bullet, so it's safe. I practice my shooting, dry firing, so that if required, then you can use it. But hopefully not. This is good to be good in firearms and at the same time martial arts. So because if you go to the airport, they will not allow you to bring your firearm. Even they will allow it, you will surrender it, and then you will claim it if you will arrive in your destinations. So it's better to know both martial arts and how to handle I don't call it as a gun, I call it as a toy. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I would like to say happy Father's Day to everyone, to all fathers out there, and even mothers who are acting like a fathers. Okay. Happy Father's Day.